Hello. Welcome to ITK Study Park. In this video, we will learn. Now I'm going to start Java new features. Okay, this is the series for the Java new features. So here you can go and come and learn. Here. Now I'm audible, I think so. Let me check it. Give me some time. Yes, good. Okay, so now in this video, I will discuss also the Java 8 features, what I discussed. The next like 10 videos, I will here 10 to 15 videos I will make on this topics like Java 8 features. But topic I will discuss with you. Okay, this type of topic I will discuss with you. Now I'm sharing my screen. I think it's visible. Okay, this is our channel name. This is the logo where you will get all type of videos. Okay, now yeah, come. Here is the heading. You can see Java new features Y version 1.8 to 14 version. I will discuss all the features, not all the features like 1.8 to 14 features. Okay, so in this video we will learn Java 8 features. In this video, now Java 1.8 features, 1.8 features. Okay, 1.8 features. So how many features are there in the, I will discuss how many features I will discuss the video sessions. Okay, so I will list out it so you can collect it here. Notes, I will provide this video uploaded on a YouTube channel named ITK Study Park, where I will share one link, Telegram link. There you will get all type of notes where I use pen brush, then you can collect it. Okay, here. So first features is about, I want to change the color, not record this, black is good. Okay, first feature our default method inside interface. And second feature is static method inside interface. And third feature our functional interface. Third feature is our functional interface. Good. Third feature, not a second. Third. Fourth feature is our lambda expression. In the same sequence, I will discuss. Okay, don't worry. Lambda expression. This is the most important topic. Okay, this is the most important new features in Java 1.8 Oracle people introduced. Okay, this is the expression lambda expression. Okay, fifth topic. First we will learn lambda expression. Other topics are based on the only lambda expression. Like time and date API, stream API, and functions, predicates. Okay, these are based on the lambda expression. So first we will learn lambda expression, then we will discuss predicates. If I forget some topics, don't worry, I will cover. If I've list out some forgotten some topics, so don't worry, I will discuss. Okay, all the topics which are available, which are important for the 1.8 version and for the interview check. So I will discuss predicates. Our fifth topic is predicates. Sixth topic is our functions. Function. Okay. Function. Yeah. Right. Function. Seventh topic is our higher. Seventh topic is double. What is the double? Double colon, introduced in Java 8 version, like double colon operator. Operator called this. This is the double colon operator introduced in Java 1.8 version. Like its topic is our stream API. Okay. Number 9. This is the important list out which I have in my mind that I listed out. I will discuss all this topic. Don't worry. Be with me and join our channel. Here you will get all these things are free in future also. Application APIs, date and time API, okay, etc. Right. These are the features I will discuss. These are the total features I will discuss. These are the compulsory. This is the 100% sure I will discuss. May some topics I am unable to list out here. These topics I will also discuss. So first topic is our, don't waste our time. The first topic is default method. Default method inside interface. Okay. Now, good. Okay. First method. So what is the default method? What is the default method? And so first of all, what is the interface? What is the interface? Anyone? The interface. Write some point. What is the interface? In Java, before Java 8.1, 1.8 version, interface can only have abstract method. What is I'm writing here? After the theory, I will discuss all the practical. Okay. The point is there before. Change the color. Yeah. Before Java 8. Before Java 8 interface. Before Java 8 interface has only could have only abstract method inside the interface. Method inside the interface. Okay. Before the Java 8, like 1.7 version, 1.7 version Java has only defined we can abstract method inside the interface. We cannot have the ability to define like the default method kind of thing. Okay. So now next point is the implementation of this method has to provide the implementation or point here. The implementation of these method has to provided in separate classes, okay. So if a new method is to be added in an interface, if you added a new method and then its implementation code has been provided in the class implementation at the same interface. Okay, if you provide any new method in the interface, then you should provide the compulsory, you should provide the implementation of the new implementation of that method in the same. Okay, so right here interface, then its implementation code has to be provided in the class implementing the same interface. Okay, interface. This is the main in the drawback. Up to one date not called drawback, we cannot say drawbacks kind of thing, but it's implementation. It's make sure if you have, then you can implemented. Okay, if you are using 1.7 version Java. Now, so overcome this problem, Java 8 has introduced concept called default method. What is the called default method? Okay, which allow the interface to have, which allows to the interface have with the implementation without affecting the class that implemented. Okay, what I said, Java 8 Java 8 has introduced the concept of method default method allow which allow the interface to have method which allow them to have method with the implementation affecting the classes. Sorry, affecting the implementation. Sorry for this, affecting the yeah. Affecting the classes. Okay, that implementation that implemented implemented interface. So Java 8 introduced one beautiful concept called default method, which is allow the interface to have method with the implementation to allow the method to allow the interface. You can declare a method inside the interface with the implementation without affecting implemented class. We cannot, if you are like create one interface and implement it in the classes, implemented next classes. So you declare the default method inside the interface. It won't. It does not affect to implemented class. That means to say. Okay. So now I wrote down some point. Okay, that means okay. We can say until 1.7 version onwards, inside interface only public object method and public static final variable. Okay, every method present inside the interface always public and abstract, whether are declaring or not, up to 1.7 version. Okay, so now my point is 1.7 version onward, 1.7 version and onwards inside interface we can inside we can take only abstract method. Also we discuss with it, but I write down some point. Okay, abstract method and public static final variable. Public static final variable. Okay. If you declare the public static final variable, it's okay. If you don't declare, if you do not declare, if you not declare the public static, it's by default. It's a default take care of the public static final variable. Like okay. Like if you inside the interface, one point interface, using interface like I Okay, here. If you declare, here like int I equals to like 10, I like that. Okay, it internally takes by default public static final. Okay, then it's int I. Okay, this is the internal implementation provided by the interface. And up to this is the point. Okay, next point. But next point, but from 1.8 version onward, addition of these, we can declare default concrete method also inside interface, which is also known as the which is also known as the defender method. You can call defender method or like virtual method kind of thing. Okay, from 1.8 version onwards, onwards, in addition to these, we can declare default, default concrete method, also called defender methods. Now next point, how we can declare default method inside interface by using default keyword. We can declare default method with the keyword like default. Okay, like default void, like m1 method is there. Okay, like okay, SOP, we provide some default method like that. We can declare like that. Okay, next point is inside the interface default method. If you inside the interface declare the default method, it's automatically by default, it's called the by default in the Java term, by default available in the implementation class. All implementation where you implement the interface, this is the by default is available. So now point is interface. Now point is interface default method, or by default available to all implementation classes, implementation classes. Okay, 1 point. Next point is based on our requirement, based on our requirement, based on our requirement, implementation class can be use default default method directly or can be we can override. I will show all these points. We can show all these points practically. Don't worry. Okay. But which uh, which type of point I wrote here, I will discuss. I will show you in the practical. Don't worry. Next point is you can say to you now default method like point wise I write down so you can easily collect these things. You can easily revise. Don't watch the video again. Just collect the note and revise. Okay. Default method. That's why I wrote all this point. Default method also known as defender. I told you now. I told you defender method. Defender method. Okay. Defender method or the virtual method. Virtual, not a virtual extension method. Virtual extension method. Okay. Virtual extension method. We can call it. So write down what is the advantage of the main advantage of default method is without affecting implementation class. What is the main advantage? Without affecting the implementation class, we can add the n number of method inside the interface, like increase the functionality of the interface. This is the main advantage. That's why Java people introduce default method without affecting the implementation class. We can add some more functionality, some more useful thing inside the interface without affecting implementation class. So now main advantage, the main advantage of default method is the main advantage of default method is without affecting without affecting sorry without affecting implementation classes. We can without affecting we can add new functionality functionality sorry functionality to the interface. Okay. It has some limitation. The default method. What is the limitation? First we cannot override object class method as a default method inside the interface. Otherwise, we will get compile time error. What is the mean? You cannot define hash code method as a default. Why? Because we cannot override with a note point kind of thing. This is the warning note. We can't override. We can't override object. We can't override object class as default default method inside interface, inside interface. Otherwise, otherwise, otherwise we will get compile timed. Like example, like interface like I same from, and here you default int like hash code. Hash code is the method now. As what hash code method it cannot override. Like return, this gets the error. Okay, sorry, error. Mm, okay. We cannot override object class method inside the interface. Okay. Reason. I'll give a reason to you. Why? This is the one of the limitation. Object class method by default available to every Java classes. This is the reason. Object class methods are available by default. You know that if you know the Java, familiar with the Java, so object class by default available or every Java classes. Hence, it's not required to bring through the default method. It's not required to bring. It is not required to bring the functionality by using default method. It's already available. Okay. So I want to write this point also. Yeah. So reason, not a reason, like pointer. So point. Object class. Object class methods. Object class method are by default available 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 to every available to every Java classes. Java class, hence it's not required to bring through default method. Not required to bring through the default method. Okay. These are the point by using default method. So one more time I want to advise to you. So default method, Java 8 interface should yes, I want first not this color, I want red color. Okay. Before Java 8 interface could only have a abstract method. Okay. The implementation of these method has provided two separate classes. Okay, if we provide the implementation of this interface to provide the separate classes, so it new method is to be added in the interface. If you added a new method inside the interface, then its implementation code has to be provided in the implementing classes, the same interface. Okay, but in Java 8 has introduced the concept of the default method, which is allow the interface. Sorry, interface is a spelling mistake. Interface to interface to interface to have the without implementation effective class of the implementation. If you declare the interface default method with the default method, it's available all this implementation class also by default. This is I said to you. Okay, I will show you the also the example to you. Okay. Hmm. Mhm. Now come here. From 1.8 onwards, addition these we can declare default method as concrete. Concrete it means what is the fully 100% implementation, 100% concrete. When we said the concrete classes, the 100% implementation classes are there. Okay, 100% declaration like method, interface, all these things are sorry, method, default method, setting method, constructor, all these things are available in the inside the class. Then we call the concrete class. Okay, this is the meaning of here, the concrete. Concrete means provide the implementation. Okay, interface default method, interface default method are by default, interface default method are by default available to all implementation class. It's available all implement. Based on our requirement implementation class, we can use default method directly, or we can override directly, or we can override. I will show this point. Default method, also known the defender method or the virtual extension. You can also call defender method, I said to you, defender method or the extension method. Okay. The main advantage of the default method is that without affecting implementation class, we can add the new functionality to the interface like that. We cannot override. This is the like this is the limitation. This is the limitation. We cannot override has object class method inside the interface. Okay. Why region? Region is the only one region. Object class method are by default available to every Java class. Hence, it is not required to bring through the default method. Okay. Now, can I go with the practicals? Okay. So let me go here. This is the my ID is. So I want to create project. Sorry, here is any Java project are there. Oh. So I think I am using that. Let me show Java project. Select the Java project. Okay. So now here put the name like first Java new features. Okay. So Java 1.8 version I am using JRE. You can use it. I have installed Java 11. I think so. Not required. Open not prospective is not required. Minimize this. Not required. ID little bit slow. Yeah. So now open, create a package. Come, create one package, com.itsp, IT study bar, like new feature. Yes, new feature means yes. Okay, not required. Create one class. Create one class like test. I want to test with the public static void main method. Click here and save finish. Okay, hit the finish button. It's give ID gives to one beautiful method like static method. Size is right, I think so. Little bit. So go and here where sorry, where to increase size on your window preferences. Go preferences. Okay, general, appearance, color and fonts, basic, down, drop down, text font, edit. Okay. I want like delivery. Okay. Oh, sorry. I want to increase the size like 16 is good. Okay. Apply. I will include this. This is the our method. So inside the interface, like which I want to create interface. First, I will show you the normal interface. Sorry. Interface I. Okay, capital I. So now I1. This is the I1 interface, providing some like public void method like my M1 method. Okay, this is the abstract method. Okay, so you can declare here also like interface interface I2. Okay, provide public void M2 method. Okay, I want to implement this classes, so create one class public. Sorry, not required public class like C, class like C. Implements I1 comma I2. This is the possible. Okay. Why getting the C error? Why? Because we cannot declare, we cannot implementation. We can, if we are implement I1, I2 inside the class, you should provide the implementation of this method here. Okay, so here. Okay, now error has gone. One more thing. Control C. Yeah. Delete. Now see. Okay. So here you can like S out. Read slash S. This is the S out and control space. Then you will get system dot out. M1 method. M1 method. M1 method. M1 implement IMP. Okay. IMP. That's it. So now here also we required C. Come here. V. M2 implementation. Okay. This is the some dummy method. So here you can create like if you are create I1 object. I1 reference variable of I1 equals to new of class new of C. Okay. You can create the object. But I1 interface reference variable, how many method you can call like that? You can see if you call M2 method or no, it is possible. It is impossible to create M2 method. Why? Because you are creating the I1 interface reference variable. I1 interface contains only M1 methods. That's why we can call only M1 methods. Okay, here it is possible. Show the example. I will show you. Yeah, I will show you the output. Yeah, we are getting the M1 implementation. If you want to call, comment this. If you want to call like L I2, sorry, I2 equals to new sheet. Then I2 M2 method. You can call M2 method. Sorry, M2 method. Yes. Give the suggestion. M2 method. Now it gives the output M2 IMP. Okay. Coming or not? That's good. So now, yeah. Why? Because we cannot create the object of the interface. We can create reference variable of the interface. Okay. Now I want to access all these method in the same reference variable. So you should do one thing. What is the create one C class object? C equals to new C. That's it. Then happily you can run C dot M1 method. Coming or not? C2 M2 method. That's it. Output, both output will come. Let me see. I will show you. So now this is the. So now I want to comment all these things here. Comment here. Now, in this video, yeah. Method. Now, next point is. Now come to our discussion like default method. This is the oldest one. I'll show you the some how to call the interface, how to call the inside the interface method. That's why I show you. Now I'll come to the actual discussion in the default method. In the default method. This is the implementation. Simple. So you can default. default using default keyword na, default like void m2 method, sorry m2 no, don't to declare 3 method. Okay, so you should provide, if you declare the method, you should provide the implementation, then it won't error. If you're not providing default method inside I1 interface. Okay, I1 interface, that's it. Now you can create also here like default method, default void m4 method. Okay, now we can provide implementation default method inside I2 interface. That's it. Now these methods are available inside the also. I will show you how. I will show you. Don't worry. This method, you can call this method. You can call this method. You can call this method default here. Okay. Default method is here. Okay. Default method is here. Both two methods are available inside the here. Both two methods are available inside this implementation class. If you are provide the declaration here, it's okay. If you want to override this method, then you can provide the implementation. If you don't want to override, then happily you can use it. Simple here. Create. I'm creating now. So now create one C class object, C equals to new C. Okay. Now C dot M4 method. Four methods are available now. All the methods. Okay. So now see the output. Default method inside that one. Why? Because M3 method will represent, M3 method here represent. Now we can call by using C dot M4 method also. We can call like that. Okay. Output come or not. Generally we can call this method also. If you don't want to provide the implementers, then it will give to error. Okay. If you remove this method here, not required, then it won't give error. Why? Because we can declare default method. Default method is not required to provide the implementation. By default is available inside the C class, not required. Okay. So I want to do one thing. This is the all about it. Like, sorry, I want to paste this code on the pen brush. Then I will see. Come here. Sorry. Home. Mm, 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 mm. Good. Like, okay. No, it's good. Okay. Now codes are there. Okay. Okay. Code is there. Oh. No. This code. Now I want to provide some new implementation, like remove this method not required here. Remove this method also. Remove this class also. Now, now new. If you want, like I said to you one point to you, onward addition, the new feature development, we cannot implementation. Okay, I will show you this point. What is the point? Onwards inside we can take only abstract method, public static. I'll show you this point. One point onward addition to these we can declare default method, concurrent method, also call defender method. Okay, ho gaya. Inside default method are the by default available. In this point also discussed by default is available. Based on our requirement, you can implement it like this point also. I will show you. If you provide like class C, sorry, class C implements implements I1, comma I2. If you want to provide, like public, if you want to provide override, if you perform the override in the M4 method, then you can. Okay, public void M4, M4. Okay, no, that's how override, inside the inside the M4 method. Okay, now we can perform the overriding. We can perform the any, we get any error? No. So we can create class C equals to new C. Okay. We can call C dot M4 method. That's it. Class is C. No, a small c is there. So can declare like capital C. Yeah. Okay. Save it and run. Try to run it. Click this button and okay. Override method are available now. If we want to click dot C, M3 method. M3 method is also available inside the M3 method. Now M3 method, come. M4 method, na default method inside the interface one. Okay, this is the override implementation. This point. Okay. Now next point. What's it to you? Default method defender. Okay. Advantage default method without affecting. Okay. If you want without affecting the implementation class, if you want to add some more functionality, if you want like having like public void M6 method. M6 method is there. Okay. If you declare six, if you declare this, so you should declare, you should implement this method inside the subclass. This is the super interface now. This is the super interface. Oh, you should declare in the subclasses. Then it won't gives to error. So I don't want to provide. I don't want to provide the. I don't want to provide implementation method inside the implemented interface here. So I don't want to disturb this. Okay, so I want to add some functionality to this interface. So we should go default void M4, M6. Okay, M6. Simple. That's how method. Repeat method. Sorry, a method M6. That's it. You can happily you can call the by using C dot M6. Okay, it gives to output. It gives to out to you. Don't worry. Here, M6 method is called now. Called. We are providing any implementation classes. We are providing or not? We are not providing now. Yeah, good. So I put this code also here. So here I put this code also here. Okay. That's simple. No. Up there. Okay. One more point I will say. Show. If you provide like one method here. Okay. Like I want to remove all the thing. May create confusion. Okay. This method. Now I want to create one new. Not required here. See the thing. Right. So yes, create one interface. A. Okay, provide the interface A and one more interface face B. Some inheritance concept I will show you. Inheritance, why using default method? If you provide default method of both classes A and B and provide interface of C, extend, we can extend it now. We can extend A comma B. Okay. Now I'm providing one method like default void m1 method. Okay. So now here providing us out m1 method, sorry, m1 method inside the A class. Okay. So now I'm providing default void m2 method. Like void after that, but I point m2 method B class. Okay. So these methods are available inside the interface or not. Let me check it. So provide one class like D class like class. I want to take like class. Okay. No, not S, not C1. She class. C not a class. C. This is the class like extend, not extend, implements C. That's it. So my question is that how many methods are there and how many methods are there inside this class, inside interface, inside both places are methods are there. Okay, to create here. But the C is the our C, she is the interface now. C is the interface. C equals to C class. Okay, new. Our class is D. So now C class reference variable, how many methods? Both method we can call. This is the one more thing, good thing. C dot m2. Okay. So here you can run and call all this. This is the another. So I want to copy here. Here you can collect the code here. Okay. Here you can collect. Here you can collect it code. I think so. Breaking. Yeah. It's good. Okay. No. Come now. No. Okay. This is the one point I will say. Now my actual point is if you declare both the classes like m2 one m1 method, then it's getting error or not. Why inheritance? If you provide the default method inheritance, it is not possible. Okay, then it gives to error to you. What is the duplicate default method named m1 with the parameter 0 and 0 are the inherit from the type A. Inheritance duplicate methods are not allowed. This one is also not allowed. This one is also not allowed. Okay. And if you want to provide the implementation, if you want like you want create one method like sorry public void, not public void. I want to provide a default take some point void m2 method and simple call v dot super dot m1 method. Calling on it. It's getting error. It's getting error. Okay, not good. If you provide m1 method, then it's not good. If you call, we can override m1 method. Then we can override m1 method. We can call b class. B super interface method is calling So I want to call M1 method here. So not required M2 method. M2 method is not there. So output will come. Definitely output will come M1 method. M2 method M2 method Why? Because V class, if you declare here, I want to one more thing. If you V a dot super providing on M1 method. Let's see. Now call the M1 method which output will come. This is the practical proof. Yeah, both the methods are come. Why? Because we are not performing here. We are not performing inheritance. We are performing an override. Okay. Lastly, example I said you will use the different way. You can use this. Okay. Let's see. Code also share with you in Paintbrush. Yeah. No, it's good. Okay. Now, proceed. Simple. Now, this is the example number 2. Now, one more thing. One more thing I have. I have one question. I have one question. If you any possibilities are there inside to override performance, it is possible. So don't perform it. Any possibility? Yes. One possibilities are there. Static. If you declare the static, one more concepts come. I will I show you now. Sorry, one minute. I'll show you now. Static method inside the interface. So you should declare static. Static. If you know the static functionality, then you easily get this all these points. Okay. How to call static? How to call static? How to call static? How to call static? Static method here you can call directly by using class name. Okay. A dot m. That's simple. Open. Not required to create an object here. You can call it. Simple. M1 method. Call now. Call it. A class. If you clear B class, B dot m. This is the solution. This is a temporary, is not a solution. I'll show you some point. Okay. So I copy this code also and paste it somewhere. Paintbrush, I think here is good. Yeah, paste it. Show you. Okay, paste it. Good. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Now this is the three cases. I'll show all the. I hope you cleared about the default methods. I hope you should read this document. And next video we will learn. Next video we will learn static method. In fact, this is the overview. This is the overview just I give you to solve this problem, but not recommended way. Okay. So we cannot override this like method. We cannot override. We cannot perform inheritance by inside the default method. We cannot perform inheritance. Okay. So I want to write some point here. Give some time about the inheritance. So we get closely. Okay. Default method. What is the default method? Default method versus multiple inheritance. Okay. Two interface can contain default method. Okay, it's okay with the same signature. with the same signature. This is the my point. Two interface can contain the default method with the same signature. Then there is maybe chance. There may be chance of ambiguity problem to implementation class. To overcome this problem, compulsory we should override default method. We should override here. I'm performing now overriding. Here I'm performing overriding. Here I'm performing overriding M1 method. Here M1 method. I'm performing overriding method. Then I'm calling which M1 method I specify that B class and A class. This is the solution. Okay. So I write some point. Theory. Two. Sorry, black color. This is black. My black favorite. Two. Two interface can contain default method. Two interface can contain default method now. Default method with the same signature. Same signature. Then there may be chance of ambiguity. Ambiguity is nothing but a confusion. Ambiguity problem. That's why Java is not supported multiple inheritance. Why? Because Java won't support ambiguity problem as confusion kind of problem removing by remove the concept called inheritance. That's why Java does not support multiple inheritance. No ambiguity problem. Okay. A problem. Two problem. Okay. So now to overcome to problem ambiguity problem in sorry here one point is missing. What is the point? Inside in to the implementation class. Implementation class. To the implementation class. Provide the to the implementation class. Good. Okay. So now point is to overcome this problem. Compulsory. I said to you, compulsory. I show you how to overcome this problem. We should override default method in the implementation class. Otherwise we get compiled error. That's it. This is the code. Okay, we should provide overriding. This is not good. Then you can override M1 method simple here and provide our own implementation. Okay. So this is all about. I think so it's 1.5 hour video. Too long. This is the all about practical default method. This is the not a small topic, and I'll cover all these points. But I have knowledge. I will cover all this point. And next video we will the static method inside the interface and function interface. And please subscribe our channel like iTrick Study Park. Here you will get all the type of the technology videos free of course. Thank you for watching. Okay. this video notes available in the Telegram group. I will share the link, Telegram group link in the description, video description. Thank you.